Here we go now.
Alright, so we made it to Sanur Beach on our way to the island of Nusa Penida. A lot of people are trying to go and super excited. Almost on our way to the island of Nusa Penida, waiting for the speedboat. Kevin's nervous for the boat ride. Doesn't want to get seasick. Only 5 minutes. The water is so blue.
Some things never change. I couldn't stop and say enough. It's all the same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Won't save and oh my, you're my broken love.
Alright, we just finished sightseeing at the Broken Bridge, which was a beautiful walkway across the ocean, and then finished climbing back up and down the spiky rocks and slippery algae of Angel Billabong, which is a super cool alcove and really busy today.
Where's the lady? Where's the other two?
Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
Hello! Love you too. Alright, so that was a refreshing, amazing end to our trip here at Nusa Penida. Got to see 4 sites: the Broken Bridge, Angel Billabong, the Kelingking Beach, and Crystal Bay. And now we are headed back home. Alright, that's it for Nusa. It's an awesome trip and a great way to end our journey to Bali. Catching one last sunset on our way back from Nusa Penida. Again, just amazing. Bali has been amazing. Couldn't have asked for a better trip to paradise and on to Japan.